Whether you're experiencing iPhone battery draining fast, device slowdowns, or excessive heat, we are here for you. Well, this video will compile the common causes of iOS 16 overheating and provide a dozen practical methods to resolve the problem. Part 1. Troubleshoot iOS 16 overheating with 12 fixes. Fix 1. Put your iPhone in a shady place. Fix 2. Remove your iPhone protector and other accessories. Fix 3. Don't use lock screen widgets. Fix 4. Force reboot your iPhone. Fix 5. Quit running applications. Fix 6. Customize display on iPhone. Fix 7. Do not charge your phone. Fix 8. Check your iPhone battery usage. Fix 9. Downgrade to iOS 15. Fix 10. Reset all settings. Fix 11. Reinstall iOS 16. Fix 12. Factory reset your iPhone. Part 2. Fix iOS 16 overheating with iOS system recovery. The iPhone iOS 16 overheating after update issue may also be attributed to system errors, but you can prevent overheating by resolving iOS system issues. iOS system recovery, which can intelligently detect and resolve various iPhone problems.